guys, welcome back. We're gonna be making gingerbread houses. You're not even in the shot.
We're making gingerbread houses, and we're gonna see which team can make the better one.
Charlie, what have you done? What have you done?
What have you done?
You came in here and put on a Christmas shirt, and now you think you can run everything.
What?
You're done taking
What?
For what? For what? I did the lights.
So late.
I didn't go.
You're giving them. You're making them.
They're mad
Ew.
because our house looks
Or it
better.
looks like you got bugs on your roof. Like, that doesn't even look like lights. You look awesome.
Yeah.
Charlie! Stop! Bruh!
3 hours later.
Oh my.
Wow!
They're gonna. No, we actually have to get it because Krislyn's gonna do that.
For our house, they were throwing stuff at us, but these are the kids, and they're going sledding. This is their cottage. Their cabin.
What?
Ready?
What?
Wait, ready?
Oh my. Y'all are fun.
That concludes our video. Yay!
First of all, I'm glad you said that. I'm not 5'2", I'm 5'3". Durr.